This video is to show how to use Power Query to quickly extract data from multiple files and/or worksheets. Cost management, which includes activities such as overall budgeting, cash flow projection, and actual payment monitoring, are common part of project management scope. The budget and actual payment records are commonly done in tabular format, while the cash flow projections are 99.999% done in matrix format. It is common to have separate Excel files for different cash flow projections for different projects or companies. Within the Excel file, cash flow projections are always done with cost items as row headers and the cash flow periods as column headers. Different worksheets may be created for each year of cash flow matrix table. We can make use of Power Query to unpivot all the various files and worksheets of matrix format cash flow data into tabular format. They can then be combined with the tabular data for actual payment records and budget data easily to analyze and to create reports in matrix format such as budget utilization as well as cash flow comparison. Let us jump straight into an example. Open an Excel file, click on Data tab, select from File, and select from Folder. Select the folder which is containing your updated data files and click Open. Click on Transform Data to commence the Power Query process. Retain the Content column as well as the File Name column, as you will want to extract the company name from there later. Remove the remaining columns. Click Add Column tab and select Custom Column. Use the Excel workbook formula on the Content column to extract all the worksheets in the various files. Delete the Content column and expand the Custom column to show all the worksheets data extracted. Keep the Worksheet Name column and the Data column and remove the rest. Expand the Data column to show the details of all the cells extracted in each worksheet. From here onwards, it will be just a normal Power Query process to figure out how to remove the unnecessary rows and columns. The second row contains the cash flow period data applicable for all worksheets, and therefore we remove the first row and promote the new first row as header. Use the filter function to remove all the unnecessary rows containing excessive header rows for various worksheets. Remove the last column for total, as we do not need it. Select the first three columns and unpivot the remaining columns. Extract the company name out of the file name between the delimiters and update the column name. Update the year column name. Extract the cash flow period between the delimiters and update the column name. Click Close and Load to extract all the data into tabular format. These cash flow data can easily be converted back to matrix format using pivot table as shown. It can then be easily combined for reporting with other referencing tables for actual payment data or budget data as well. We have covered this in our earlier video. This Power Query method can also be used to extract progress-related data stored in multiple files. For example, each file contains data for one task and the various worksheets in the file is for each block. Another example is where you have each project's data in one file, and each worksheet is for data of one block. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the bell notification button.